Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So now, MCM who picture na eda mu screen so no. Now, what we are hearing from the police, and they say, Western Togoland 4, and asanso aye wo mo adwen se wo mo eka wo mo ho a wo mo akwakoja ahwea egu ekwan mu sei utumi mu se highway pa tre se wo mo akwakoja ahwea egum a nini na ne se still and I no ka say over 60 of them allegedly and are suspects believed to be part of Western Togoland for no yachi omo over 60 of them, but still nkofui the omo kan na wo mo say wo mo ebeka. Now this particular broadcast I am doing mesre menya nanka share so what they want to me share krana like it na mama mo atiase say YouTube algorithm we be algorithm send ye adwuma ne say so wo pese ye story bi now pese enkrofo bebre etin kan o like here YouTube fo be hu ne say oh okay assume si wo hwe wo like here na tre say ababi wo mu a e wo say wo bi nso te nti eno na ebe ma YouTube so asend notification ama wo bi fofra one subscribe to your channel kra. Now the entire video when me person like and say I want to use this opportunity to educate people. I'm very sorry, but the crass ignorance going on in this country is just too much. Just say ye twa nkrofo ntro miseducation, misconceptions. Nkrofo asabi wo mu nim ne kra e wa asem mu ye twa wo mu ntro a wo mu nso wo mu agi asem ne di no e too much. Now if I'm speaking on this particular Western Togoland thing, I am speaking on authority because I have read wide, I have listened to historians, and I know what I'm talking about. Because me and Maker say it will interest you to note that I am even from Volta region. So I am speaking and I'll speak on this matter as a person who is from Volta region. Ms. Remo, this Western Togoland thing outrightly is nonsense. I am very sorry. I don't use such words on this platform, but Ms. Remo, I'll use it. Now, so the picture where I had screen so I will hear Sisiano. One more year between Aveyime and Sege, and a one more year side way. Now, let me educate people. See, sa Western Togoland no, obi be bisa say eye ne kra say ye bibi a ye man krofo bi eba be kan Ghana fo ho ana a wo mo free Western Togoland ana obi be bisa sa asem no, and this is the answer eye ne kra. But you see, these people in a way are doing some things majority of them no enye ne kra. And I want more data microphone and people are believing it. Obi will follow me WhatsApp. I'm try to do a mistake also say. If you are from Anglo and you are also part of this Western Togoland thing, then I'm sorry. You are a lost cow. Know your history. That's what I said. And my madam Fubika said, and the bra YouTube number train crofwa there, internet may train crofwa there and there. I am telling you, I have read wide and I know the history. Because I am also from there. It means to mean in history, no. Yeah, ma will be a betray will be antro Ghana Haseo. Now, let me tell you. The America say, yeah, man, crofobia ebe sign near, say, we meka Ghana hon a yenecre. But, and yet the whole of Volta region. A young crophobia no pe, some crophobia no, a hawk. The be a friend of Pando, anyhow, just these two people. Who were made to join Ghana, and these two people into your cousin Crawfobia Western Togoland for our Mobeka Ghana one, and your son Crawford Pando anyhow. Now, you can't Pando ni hoa. You can't the population of the whole of Volta region. I mean, you should say Pando anyhow will even take up to 10% of the population of Volta region. Now, so majority. Baby ankofui ekwa ataki pa wo mo kase wo mo pe wo mo freedom a yetumi kase freedom ne hyaase pa no a wo mo kase wo mo pe freedom wo mo kase hyaase no obakwa akwa na eye not ton Southton area and as anyama we ekoko so yi akwa ye say wo mo a na wo mo ka Western Togoland for aye mo be kan Ghana for ho kra no sa places ne kra na nyama bi say ensisi eye kpando ani ho no ansa na kpando ni ho ne be ba be kan Ghana ho as omo ya Western Togoland no na Volta region was already there. But that time near and friend of Volta region because that time you be here, that time near friend Gold Coast. It's you be here Ghana. You be here independence here Ghana near two ni din you be here in the Volta region. Go and read your history. So the Anglos, the Aveime, that place is Nini Nano, all those people were already part of Gold Coast. I friend Ghana and son as our Western Togoland for ya wo claim say wo more epel independence na ebe kan ho. It's only two people, Pando and Ho. Why is it that in Grofo mi enu pe mo pese mo ya na mo the whole of Volta region eboso aden. And you see they will get some in Grofo bi asem in previousan wo mo answer that, and I'm very sorry. I am very sorry. I'll be very harsh on this particular thing because ade we ade bia akama say ya share adie we man crofo yi edintro too much. Meanwhile the history is there, and that will be in a radio so no can ebe nipa kono say the whole of Volta region for ni na and the sign here say Western Togoland ye meka that be only two places Volta region na your friend. It will interest you to know say in fact Volta region and your friend of Volta region it was part of Gold Coast even before the Ashantis joined Gold Coast. Go and read your history. It will interest you to know. It was part baby of Volta region answer na Satan na sa Western Togoland for yek bando for ni we no mo meka ho ye. The Volta region, majority of Volta region was part of Gold Coast and Ghana even before the Ashantis came to join. It is a wobi be mawati asie say oh Volta for ni na no ka wo mu mfi ha say no mo fi Togo ne mo be kan Ghana ho a nipa ko ni twa won tro eyenkrofo mienu pe in the Volta region which is Pando and Ho. So why is it that people are allowing themselves to be deceived by these people? And look at the places they are attacking. Places are more attacking. Then here can say yes. These places are not your territories. So why? I am very angry. I am very angry. Because yen tenase seven previous yen ayanso ye free Volta region no. Me make us say eya na nkrofo kan eya na me na nfo kan say eh wo de. And today is the first me sure say bia and now what say asem we cry you will be shocked. Today is the very first time I'm saying this. I've never said this. I know a lot of you will be shocked. But me no, me Volta region me free 100% pure. My mom, my dad, everyone will be our home busu. Just say will be in our frame. Will be 100% pure from Volta region. So if I'm speaking on this thing, I am speaking because me who said that be our history. Volta region be there free history no. In Krofubi, a person woman selfish, a year in Yamabi, a tabasano. Na yansu yantana semasa adianensi. I know after this, a lot of the Western Togoland people will try to call me, but this is the history. Just go and read. Go and read from historians. Go and read. Legon Library. Now, Kobisa said, who pay the history of the whole of Volta region, the people in the Volta, they will give you books, history. Why are we allowing people to distort this history and deceiving people? Say, hey, and then we want independence, and they want in Kofuya dada nkolabia sebe womo kan womo free sak bando ni hofui womo dada womo wato mutrim say womo so ka Western Togoland ho incha maka say if you are an Anglo ufri keta ufri majority there ufri sa two places yi eya bando ni ho if you are not from these two places now also odo ho akwasha sa Western Togoland for adewe one you are a lost cow because you don't know your history. You are not part. You are not part. In fact, sir, plebiscite now, womo eyewe no, we dey one the many time, even enokrano there are issues with it. Because embra yema womo sign no, yema ana yema omo vote ni, yema omo tiase, se vote na mu vote, mu to me nsesa mo adwen. But a bit more money looking so you say we vote for 50 years and after 50 years no we mo beba back documents be anyone na sir. Metro say voting and move vote. It will affect your children and your children's children. It's a more penis one now. And I want to say, "Anna, ya peneso." It's a fair day. And they are lying. But me say that story, no. Ghana, well, people don't like to read. We will address that matter later. So please, member will be under that. Oh, you'll be a free water region and answer water. Member will be under that. Say, what can Western Togo and Amon can Ghana for? Member will be under that. Member will be end that down. If reading now want to mean read will read and come and tell you the truth and the history behind all of these things. Now say even the media BBC nanka media no apɛ historians mebo Kofi Adoma wanweni abaso Kofi Adoma wanweni wo ya there last week. I think it is this week or today. Obi amota hwe Kofi Adoma wanwu say what the abrante bi asebin predias and nefra ebetena so na abrante no ye historian abrante no bo data and na wo ka ebia data wo tumi say day when sa abrante ne kra ka kire Kofi Adoma say sa Western Togoland no only 2 people but abrante no sa 2 places no wo tumi ambo cassette mando ene some other place no as wo tumi ambo di no but ene na me ka kire no mando ni ho just these 2 people. Look at the towns and cities in Volta region. And just only these 2 people. Aben Yeman Krofuwe, Ababa Befra, just indoctrinate people to lie to people as if it is the whole of Volta region. And I just say, yes, I deal with. Me sure say, we can now nim. Say, people in the Volta region can now nim say, they were even part of Gold Coast even before a lot of people came to join Ghana. But yama ya dada nkrofo to me dada nkrofo e ma yama ya to me ka tre nkrofo say mo kra no mo mfi Ghana na mo kra mo fi Togo na mo nko mo kra mo mfi Ghana ni pa ko na wo ka sa asem ne kra no wo nim de wo ka ni pa ko na wo ka sa asem no wo nim history of Ghana. Don't let anyone lie to you. Please don't let anybody lie to you. Memma wo bia entwa won tro me ya papa me ya adai ayate ya Ghana sumdwemu ni yewe na we just say and you get people wo ya Ghana for one bro trace sabe and they are also buying into this whole Western Togoland thing but they've also not read about the history. Ebia nipa obi asabe ebia wo friketa and wo free north tongue and of south tongue ebia wo fi suga kopekra wo fi baby enka sa ade we nkrofo we ho nanso wono wo Ghana ni wo wa dochi wono so tie ya no wo de nam say na Western Togoland wo nim history no wayera so please me boafu pa because as a Ghana in same bisi na fe nkrofo enkasa ni ya yekom ni yete hwa na asem no as a intro no ye ka obon say intro no aya na nkrofo aba be believe na intro na aba be dane ne kre meanwhile aye intro ewo ho aye intro me see 90% of the population of Volta region. Now more Ghana, they were even part of Gold Coast even before some tribes joined, even before some people joined. I have a friend in Ghana. They were already there before some Crawford, you see, you free Western Togoland, some Crawford back home. It's then I said 90% for what did that answer more 10% now more bano more percent more ya na chese more kase and the yen na 100% no more beto yen wa Ghana ha sei o beto yen wa Ghana ha sei na o pese okwa koi ene kan no embra wo ho if a possible say obekwa more 10% da mo pese mo kono mo nkoi ada na afa mo de mo hu ni na e ba ba fa e ye Volta region fo ho mo de mo hu ni na be shira Volta region say ene ye ni na masa wo beto me wa Ghana ha o beto me wa Ghana ha me ye Ghana ni una o hesa na so wonye we a pembrambi na mo embrano ko embrano kan no menya sure class to be on your side. But don't associate it with the whole of Volta region, because 90% of Volta region, they were already in this country before you people joined. Edeni nye dada nkrofo hwe mesre media houses asem we unnim ho a menka sanfa. It's a very sensitive matter. So unnim bibia fa asem we ho a, don't talk, just keep quiet, because so here reportage eba obon say yesiane and omo free Volta fo yi wo nti masa ade na tonkrofo trim say the whole of Volta region. But you see Ghana sisiano senior media na ye no media no senior aircon is very sad, because asembesi ni e be free expert aba no bon say the politician na ba beti na say politician make kasa wono so be ya ade no politics throughout. Politician ne be ya asem ni na politics throughout, but asemsi a no wakope eye historian, asemsi a no wakope obi a wa ben e wa abakwasem mu na wa betena se na wono e kan na wa educating it na make say Kofi Adoma wanwani sa ade na wo ye no ma bona baso wa ya ade sa ade na Kofi Adoma wanwani ye no wa ya ade. He has educated a lot of people. Omo ana wo mu nim this particular history no wa kire wo mu me in my very own way. Omo ana na omo ben me and na me try omo sa dem, because a lot of them were also thinking say the whole of Volta region, but I was educating a lot of them and na wo mo beti ase nti omo kra na catch them say oh, YouTube channel. Fuck YouTube na kwa kana educate Ghana for. It is idea na Kofi Adoma one year no why are there. So a lot of these media houses should be doing the same. Bring historians who know history. Let them come and sit on your TV stations, radio stations, print medias, and talk about this particular matter. What money na beka trail. Say masa. It's a no bon say akole bia wonu won history no. Wo free Anglo, wo free Kata, Agbozume. Wonu ni place nka ho. Nanso yetumi aka edidi ni trim se ane ene ye ni na Volta region for ne ye Western Togoland for na ono nso woni ye no ehye ni trim onyi ye ono nso hu ne se ane menye Ghana ni me Western Togoland ni ye ne ntwie a wayera lost cow. Me didi atempa. I don't usually go this way, but we ya de bia akama koma pa mo fa nche me